The topic of this video is how to post photos and videos on Threads. So, let's begin. Get your Threads account active. If there isn't one, install the app from the Google Play Store on an Android smartphone, then sign up for an account. You must visit the App Store if you have an iPhone. What you have to do is simply open the main page of your Threads account. At the bottom of the page, you will see different options: Home, Search, Create a Post, then Your Activity, and the last one is a Profile. Simply process the Create a Profile option in the center of the main page. You can write anything here with the right option. You also attach any video or photo of your choice from your gallery with the attachment Pin option. Select any photo and then press Done in the upper right corner. Then press the Post button at the bottom right corner. Your thread has been posted. To check where it is located, simply open your profile by pressing the Profile button from the bottom right corner. Now press the Threads option just beneath the Edit Profiles option. You will get your threads. See, your threads have been posted successfully. This was the easiest way to post any video or photo on Threads. I hope you learned something from this video. If you have any question, don't hesitate to comment down below. And thank you for watching.